Now.
Bye guys.
Aqui temos a família que vieram da Alemanha e também França, que vieram me visitar. Viram? Ok. Big man, say something. Say something.
Say something.
That's all. Say something. All right, hold on.
That's 8 verse.
Okay. Bana bauti Alemanha. Say something in English to say hello to those who are going to watch your video.
What?
Say something in English. Those who are going to watch you so they can... what would you like to say? Where?
Hello.
That's all?
Yes.
Hello is not good enough.
It's shy.
You shy?
No.
Don't be shy. You were running your mouth not long ago.
Are you going to post it on YouTube?
Yes.
Why?
Well, to see that I had a visitor at my place. You don't want to say anything? Okay, that's fine. Come on, say something. Don't be shy. Okay, let me
No,
go.
I can't say. I can't
Okay,
say
I'll come back to you. Mutamut,
Hello.
kedi yangu na dia di boba. Boba. Amona bo.
Diambuco.
Endo ipisi geni magena. Fala em português, lingala, fala em alemão.
Eu sou o senhor Adão, vivo na Alemanha durante 37 anos, que vivo lá, e vim visitar o meu tio aqui na Inglaterra, pela segunda vez que eu estou aqui
Sim.
na visita.
Viram?
Essa é a minha família,
Sim, senhor.
vivemos juntos.
Agradeço imenso. Viram o mundo, viram, né? A uti na Alemanha, aí ko talanga. Oyo, mwana na biso. Tu peux parler en français, que ce soit en portugais, mais elle vit en France. Alors j'aimerais que tu t'exprimes en français. Yeah.
Bonjour à tous, donc voilà, je suis venue avec ma famille, mon oncle. Moi je suis de la famille de France,
Oui,
donc voilà, je suis venue rendre visite à tonton aussi avec ma famille.
oui.
Donc voilà, que Dieu vous bénisse et merci beaucoup.
Ah. Ici, nous avons aussi notre nièce ici.
Hello.
What language? You're going to speak in English, German? Okay, go on.
Hi. Yeah. What should I say?
Anything.
Here in vacation with my family, and yeah, we're now here.
You see? She speaks English. Now speaking Portuguese now.
I cannot speak Portuguese
Why not?
because I can't speak it.
Because the father has not taught her to speak Portuguese. Forgiven. We get it. Now. Bolbape Lingala.
Yeah.
Now, let's try. Let's see who can speak good Lingala here. Let's go. Lawana likamogna Lingala to yoka yo. No. Nebande d'abord, you did not introduce yourself. Okay, introduce yourself in English first, and then we go in Lingala.
So hello, my name is Spencer. I'm also in a vacation with my family here.
See?
I'm happy. I'm
happy
happy to be here.
That's right.
I'm happy to visit you.
Thank
because
you.
We didn't see you since 4 years. No,
4
5
years.
years now.
5 years now, yes.
Now
6
I'm happy
years.
to see you.
Thank
You're
you.
part of our family.
Thank you very much. Bomoni bana na biso mayele mana na biso bazo bwaka English luka mnoko na bango. Alemani kutu ko lobate e mono na pova ndete nkano. Omoni makambo ngoyo. Donc ce qui na lobaka parce que nazali fier ya libota na ngai biso bangole biso bazombo. Bato mayele bankwanga. Et ça la bino pas cité hein. Parce que ce que na lobby moni boswani singa sos nana kufite na zana na bomoi nana kufite. Bien que nazo bela na bisi bino yango. Sigoyo toke na Lingala. Ale, come on, let's try. What say you in Lingala?
Me?
Yeah.
Naloba nini na Lingala?
Lobaka likamo yo omoni Angleterre ndenge nini?
Angleterre eza bien, nasepeli na Angleterre.
Na Angleterre, eh?
tout se passé vacances très bien.
Très bien.
Mais oui.
Yes, that's fine. That's enough. Now, yo pe lo ba ko pe lingala na yo olobi nini?
Ah, botoza awa na kati ya mboka ya papa.
Oui.
Eza bien, vacances zoleka bien.
Oui.
Nyonso eza pe bien, ville ya kitoko.
Ville kitoko.
Donc, tosepeli.
Boyoki bana biso pe tolakisa bango lingala eza te ko te même nako na bino te tolakisa bango kaka po bayokaka kotonga na bino na makambo bino mabe yango na tolakisa bango mutu lokona ni mwa lingala muke.
Yeah.
Does he speak lingala?
No.
No, unfortunately.
No.
Unfortunately.
Likambo te, he will learn when he grows get to your age.
Tozali na vacances awa na Mobembo, awa na mboka Angleterre. Toye ko visiter pour 10 jours.
Oui.
Bokala te tozonga na biso.
C'est ça.
Nyonso ezokoleka malamu.
Merci. Andeko moni na yebisaki bino ke ngai libota bazoya kotala nga bokasi nini nakokufa nakufi te. Alors so bokanaki botuli po yoka sikoyo miziki na biso ya Angola yango oyo. Ate a música, nossa música, a música angolana. Ok. Ngai pe na cheka mwandambo bomona ke na faire partie ya filmage yango. Yaonga na lingaki. C'est bon. C'est ça. You were shy. You did not say anything. You were shy. Now I got you. Ah, Omundi, I was shy. Okay, na longoli. Ovandi na biso. Tolekisa mwa tangu. Tozako enjoy the sun. Bana bakina biso ba KFC na bango bakeba leba lebi. KFC buki bango. Ava bakende tokosala barbecue ava bokende mesala bino motema pasi te otoko tumba ba kombo mvimba ye lelo tofandi kaka mwa ntango eleka. Ok, allez, ciao, à la prochaine, bye bye. Apesi bino mbote bomoni Ok.